Hey everyone, I have something to tell you about the reasons why God allows delays in our lives. Kay siguro, nakaginapangayo sa Ginoon, daghan kay gipaang-ampo ni Lord, daghan kay ginayango-ngo, nga dugay ng panahon, o hantod karon wala pa ning abot. Hantod karon you are still in the seasons of waiting. I just want you to know that delays is not a denial of your request. It's just a delay. Still, we wait for the answer of our prayer. Still, we wait for the spiritual breakthrough in our lives. Still, we wait for the solution of our dilemma sa kinabuhi because we have lots of dilemmas sa atong life. And it becomes so discouraging and even overwhelming to our faith. So why God allows such delays in our lives? The first reason God allows delays in our lives is that God might be delaying His answer because you are not ready to receive it. In Philippians chapter 1 verse 6, "And I am sure of this, that He who began a good work in you will bring it to completion at the day of the Lord Jesus Christ." While the delay may be frustrating or even confusing, we do know that God is at work behind the scenes to accomplish His will. You may not see His hand at work, but you can trust that His promises are true. You may not be ready for the answer just yet, but God is working to make sure you are ready when it comes. The second reason why God allows delays in your life, God might be protecting you from something harmful. In Psalms 3 verse 3, "But you, O Lord, are a shield about me, my glory and the lifter of my head." The delay may be God's way of protecting you from something harmful. He knows everything about everything. He knows the people. He knows the places and the happenings in all places at all times. He knows the outcome before it occurs. And because He loves you deeply, He only wants those things in your life that will further His work and accomplish His will. Remember that all His plans are good. The third reason why God allows delays in our life, God might be delaying His answer because of His timing. Isaiah 55 verse 8, "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord." So God's timing is always perfect. He is fully in control of all things at all times, in all places. His delays might simply be because the answer you seek is not in His timing yet. And remember that a delay is not a denial of your request. It's just a delay. And the fourth reason why God allows delays in our lives, God might be delaying His answer to grow your faith. In James 1 verse 2, "Count it all joy, my brothers and sisters, when you meet trials of various kinds, for you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness." So this delay may just be God's way of growing your faith. I can almost hear Him saying, "Just trust me." Your faith, your character, and your understanding of God can grow dramatically when we learn to trust Him in the delays. And the fifth reason, the last reason why God allows delays in our lives nga ganahan ko ani sa among situation right now, God might be delaying His answer in order to give you a new direction. In Colossians chapter 1 verse 9, it says, "And so, from the day we heard, we have not ceased to pray for you, asking that you may be filled with the knowledge of His will in all spiritual wisdom and understanding." Perhaps God's delay is His way of redirecting you. His delay may be His way of telling you that you need to seek His will in this matter. You may be praying in one direction, but He wants you to pray in a different direction. And siguro, this may be a general way of saying sa Ginoo nga, no to your request. No, this is not my will. No, this is not my timing. And no, this is not my direction. Or no, I have something better for you. Whatever you are facing right now, whatever you are facing today, be assured that God has reasons for His delays. You can trust Him no matter what. Why? Because He loves you so much and He only wants the best for you.